In this video, you will learn about parrots. Parrots are birds. There are about 372 species in 86 genera. They are found in most tropical and subtropical regions. The greatest diversity of parrots is found in South America and Australia. Parrots are intelligent birds. They have relatively large brains. They can learn and they can use simple tools because some species have the ability to make sound like human voices. They have many colors. They kept as pets. This includes some endangered and protected species. Parrots have a heavy in relation to their size and compact body with a large head and a short neck. Their beaks are short, strong and curved. The two parts of the beak are very strong and used to break fruits and seeds. The tongue is large and strong. Most parrots can fly, though many lost their power of flight. They form the most variable sized bird order in terms of length. The smallest of the parrots is the pygmy parrots, with an adult weight of 11.5 gram and a length of 8.6 cm, with a length from the top of its head and to the tips of its long pointed tail of about 90. Parrots are among the most intelligent birds, as the crow family, raven, crow, jays, and mappies, and the ability of some species to make sound like human voices enhances their popularity as a pet.